Welcome to the Sitebot Overview. To access the tool, you're going to go to the toolbar. You're going to go to Email and Engage. You're going to scroll down and you will see Sitebot. You're going to click. Once you get to that, it's going to show you a page looking like this. Now, the website Sitebot is a great tool if you would not like to make use of social media chatbots. You can also collect leads and automate your information delivery easily. Now, before you create your first flow, it will be a good idea if you are going to create folders so that you can organize your work a little bit easier, especially if you are planning and creating many Sitebots. So in this example, you can see that I've already created 2 folders. Now, to add a folder, you really need to click just either on the menu bar on the left side here where it says Add Folder, or you can click on the blue button right here. Next, after you've done that, you can start adding your first flow by either clicking on the folder that you want to add it inside, or just click on Add Flow right on the left-hand side, or Add Flow in the middle of the dashboard right here. Once you have created it, all your Sitebots will be grouped below. You will also be able to edit the flow right here. You would be able to change the name. You would be able to embed it or get the direct link. You can also make a copy of it, export the flow into a file that you can share with others, or even delete the tool. That is all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in another.